Welcome student, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. I am your computer teacher and this is my new video of class 3rd computer. Okay, and class 3rd today we will start our chapter 2. Name of chapter is the computer hardware and this is the first video of chapter 2. Our chapter 1 is completed. Okay, all that video descriptions, all that explanation completed, all that question answer and book exercises, all that things will are completed. Okay, had already completed. So we start the chapter 2 computer hardware and today's topic is what is a hardware and types of hardware. Okay, so we start. First short topic is the parts of a computer. So students, I think most of you seen a computer and also seen various parts of a computer like mouse, keyboard, printer, speaker, most cables, wires, UPS, most of the things you have seen. So computer is a wonderful machine. It consists of many parts and all the parts of a computer can be put into two basic categories. All that parts of a computer can be categorized into two basic categories. One is a hardware and second one is a software. Okay, there are two basic categories of the all parts of a computer. Okay, you understand students, all the parts of a computer can be put into two basic categories. First is a hardware and second one is a software. Okay, so in this video or in this chapter 2 we will focus on learning about the different hardware parts of a computer. Okay, in this chapter we had only focus on the different parts of a computer hardware. So start. What is a hardware? Okay, so students, the physical part of a computer that we can touch and hold are called computer hardware. As you already studied in class 2nd also, the things which we can see and touch, the things which we can see and touch is known as a computer hardware. So some changes in that this definition is that the physical part means that parts which we can see. Okay, and which we can feel also. So the physical part of a computer that we can touch and hold are called computer hardware. Okay students, so all that parts like mouse, monitor, keyboard, printer, speaker, wire, system units, plotter, UPS, all that things you seen when you go in a computer lab and seen all that things are the part of a computer hardware. Okay, so and some things also lies inside the CPU or system unit. So what is written here? Parts lies inside the system unit. Parts lies inside the system unit is the such as wires, cables, etc. are also known as a computer hardware. The parts that lies inside the system unit such as wires, cables, motherboard and most of the things also inside the system unit. Inside the system unit means inside the CPU are also known as a computer hardware. Okay, and one thing is the outermost visible layer of a computer is called a skinware. Like our body, outer part of our body is known as a skin. Okay, so the outermost visible layer of a computer is also known as a skinware. Okay, the cabinet part is known as a skinware. So what is the hardware? I repeat it once again. The physical parts of a computer that we can see and touch are called computer hardware. The physical part of a computer that we can see and touch are called computer hardware. Once again repeat with me. The physical parts of a computer that we can touch and hold are called computer hardware. Okay students, next is the types of hardware. So the computer hardware are divided into four main types on the basis of the function they perform in the working of a computer. The hardware parts of a computer are divided into four main types on the basis of the function they perform in the working of a computer. And also I think in previous chapter I had already described the working of a computer is based on the IPO cycle, based on the IPO cycle, is based on the IPO cycle. So the hardware parts of a computer are divided into four main types on the basis of the function they perform in the working of a computer, and the working of the computer is based on the IPO cycle. So these are as follows. How many types of a computer hardware? One is the input devices, second is the processing devices, third is the output devices, and last is the storage devices. Okay, so there are four main types of a computer hardware on the basis of the working of a computer, or on the basis of the IPO cycle. There are four main types. One is a input devices, second is a processing devices, third is the output devices, and last is a storage devices. Okay students, so in this video I tell you about what is a hardware and types of a hardware. So what is a hardware? The physical parts of a computer that we can touch and hold are called computer hardware. All that things that we can see and touch related to a computer is known as a computer hardware. Something are the outside of the computer, and some parts are lies inside the computer, inside the system unit, such as wires, cables, motherboards, and outside like mouse, keyboard, printer. These are termed as a computer hardware. And there are four main types of a computer hardware. One is the input devices, second one is the output device, processing devices, third is the output devices, and last is the storage devices. Okay students, so that is over now. Thank you, have a nice day and take care of yourself.